question 16 is also a fairly complicated question, but question 16, the concept has been tested. It came out in 2020, right? Then you remember the fence question is also a similar, sorry, not the fence question, the 2021 question, the year later, about the funny triangle.
What's the answer?
Remember that funny triangle one is also the same concept. So it's a concept that is repeated. What is the answer? What's your answer?
16 for part A, 14 cm square for part 2.
16
cm square is supposed to be for A.
16
and after
cm square.
is cm.
And don't get your unit wrong or not. Huh? They ask you for area and they ask you for perimeter. You give me the unit flipped. Okay, it's 16 and 19. How do you find the area of each triangle that was cut up? Very easy. If you look at the figure, your area of your remaining paper is 279. That is what they tell you. Area remaining 279. Your original paper is a rectangle. So you first find the area of your paper. 15 times 25. Okay. So that will give you 375. So how come the area remaining is 279? Because you cut out the triangles, what? Correct or not? And therefore, the area of 6 triangles must be 375. You minus away the remaining area. Correct. So that gives you 96 for each triangle, for 6 triangles. And therefore, to find the area of 1 triangle, 96 divided by 6 to give you 16. Please write the correct unit. I don't think most of you will have issue with part A. It is part B that is a little bit complicated. The perimeter of figure 2 is 54 cm longer than the perimeter of figure 1. How come the perimeter is longer? How come the perimeter is longer? The perimeter becomes longer. You ask yourself, what do you lose? When you cut out, you lose this, this, and this. Correct? This, this. You lost this, but what do you gain? You gain this, you gain this. You gain this, you gain this. You gain this, you gain this, so on and so forth. You get the idea. So your perimeter increases because even though you lost PS and you lost QR, the blue color parts that you gain is more than the parts that you lost. How much did you lose? You lost PS and you lost QR. So PS plus QR is just 15 plus 15 to give me 30. So those are the parts that you lost. The perimeter became 54 cm longer. If it became 54 cm longer, how much do you actually gain? What is the actual perimeter that was gained? What was the actual perimeter that was gained?
Is it 24?
It is not just 50. It's not 24.
Yeah.
俊凯 got the answer correct, right? Hey, please. You got it wrong. Why you tell me it's 54 minus 30? You all get 24 is because you take 54 minus 30. It's not 54 minus 30. You lost this 30 cm. This 30 cm was lost. But even after you lose 30 cm, you still gain 54 cm in total. That means what must be the total gain? The parts that are gained in blue must be 30 plus 54, not minus. That means the 6 blue parts, you add 84, but then because you lose the red part, you need to minus away the red part. Which means your total perimeter of 6 triangles is the part that you gain, which is 84, because they are the blue parts, plus 30, which is the red part, to give you 114. You forgot to add a triangle base. Okay, so you need to add back the base of the triangle. The 84 is only the blue color parts. But the 84 is not the actual perimeter. You need to add back the base, which is 30. The two sides to give you 114. And therefore, perimeter of one triangle is 114 divided by 6 to give you 19. And that's how you get 19 cm. So this one conceptually need to be able to work out that how come the area will gain even though you lose the red parts. So the total gain is more than the area that more than the perimeter that you lost. If you all insist on spamming my chat, I will disable chat.